What is asparagus and how can it be used effectively? Have you ever pondered over this question? Well, today you're in for a treat as we delve into the world of this fascinating vegetable. Asparagus, that slender green spear-like vegetable, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's a member of the lily family, and believe it or not, it has a lot more uses than just adding a dash of green to your plate. Firstly, asparagus is a natural aphrodisiac. Yes, you heard it right. It has been used for centuries for its libido-boosting properties. The high levels of vitamin B6 and folate in asparagus can help boost feelings of arousal. Additionally, vitamin E in asparagus can stimulate sex hormones in both men and women. So a little asparagus on your dinner plate could spice things up in the bedroom. Now let's move on to the benefits of asparagus for women. Asparagus is packed with folate, which is particularly important for women who are pregnant or trying to conceive. Folate can help decrease the risk of life-threatening conditions like spina bifida in newborns. Moreover, the high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in asparagus can help fight against common chronic health issues such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It's also a great source of fiber, which can aid in digestion and keep you feeling full, assisting in weight management. So how can you effectively use asparagus? Well, it's simpler than you might think. You can start by adding it to your diet. Asparagus can be steamed, grilled, roasted, or even eaten raw in salads. Remember to store asparagus in the refrigerator, ideally wrapped in a damp cloth to keep it fresh. Another effective use of asparagus is in skincare. Due to its antioxidant properties and high vitamin E content, asparagus can help improve your skin health. You can make a simple asparagus face mask at home by blending cooked asparagus and applying it to your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Now, to summarize, asparagus is not just another vegetable. It's a versatile powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your libido, assist in pregnancy, aid in weight management, fight against chronic diseases, and improve skin health. So next time when you see those slender green spears in the market, remember, they are not just for adding a dash of green to your plate. They have a lot more to offer. And remember, the key to reaping the benefits of asparagus is to incorporate it into your diet regularly. So make it a part of your meals and watch the magic happen. Isn't it amazing how a simple vegetable can have so many benefits? That's the power of nature for you. So go ahead and make asparagus a part of your life today.